we're gonna work out putting the oil pan onto the new engine. The first thing we need to do is take a look at this oil pan. Oh, well, you can see down in here, there's some sort of deposits that we want to get out of here. I'm not sure how much this local guy is going to do or how much difference this makes. Just in case it makes a lot of difference, go ahead and do it. And I really don't want to spray this with water, so. Yeah, so that's a handy dandy little tool here, this pointy thing, except for when it slips and accidentally stabs you in the finger. And it may be handy, but it's not so dandy. Okay, so let's fit this. Fits on there prettily. I'll get ready to put this bead on this guy. Here and grab my RTV gasket maker. Starts here and goes in through there, down and around. All right. So let's go ahead and put the pan on. All right, let's get these pan bolts in here. Okay, you know what I just did? I got ahead of myself there and started putting things back together before I was ready. So let's go ahead and dry this stuff off. This in nicely, screws in, swing. All right, now we will put this back on. A couple of these already have these plastic things in them. I did not mark which ones those were, so be kind of hard pressed here to figure out which of these it is. 13, let me grab my dandy turner tool here. Twist these in and just lightly tighten them all, and then tighten them down with the torque wrench. Now we'll grab our torque wrench, torque these down in the proper order according to what our torque wrench specs are. All right, so 1 through 11 tighten, well, it's 1 through 11 to 17 foot-pounds. 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17 pound-feet. Lock her in, extension. And 13. All right. I just broke this. I'm going to take all these out and drill that bolt out of there. I don't know why it says tighten it to. Okay, my fault, but let's go ahead and end this. We will get that bolt out.